exercise, what we'll be doing is we'll go ahead and create a HTTP link, HTTP service, and in that we'll write some logic, and that logic is something which will be displayed there. So for that you need to go to the package that you have already created. So in your case it's zramesh, right? Just right click on the package zramesh, right click on that, and create new, the first option, and others, other ABAP repository objects, and then you type here http, because we want to create a HTTP link, right? Yeah, then you have to select that HTTP. Yeah, you can give any name, like you can give z ramesh underscore http, some name, okay, but it should start with z. Okay, description you can give anything, and the moment you give the name of the HTTP service, automatically a handler class will be created, so we don't have to change anything in that. So you can then click on next. Okay, you can select the request number and click on finish. Any request number that you have created, you can select that and click on finish. That's okay. Done, right? So what we are going to do right now is we're going to go ahead and click on the handler class. You need to click on handler class, and there will be a class that gets created, that will be automatically, by default it already got created, and there inside the class, between the 17th and 18th line, okay, you need to type this one, copy paste that one which I have shared you in the chat. It's a write, simple write statement in the HTTP. understand, right? So you just have to activate this. Did you activate it? Activation in the sense like you to click on that. There's some errors. Okay, you have got the welcome to SAP BTP ABAP. That's what you have given. The response was hello again, right? That's what you need to give. Okay, so did you activate it? Because I can see the error on the left side. ABAP syntax check error. Is that the one? Can you just activate it again? Activation in the sense you have to click on the candle button beside that tick mark, or you can use Control F3. The shortcut key is Control F3. So we should be getting that it's successfully active. Yes, now it got generated. See, so now the active version is generated. Now we need to go back to the previous, previous link. Can you just open that previous tab? zramesh underscore http. Can you open that tab? The tab beside the one which is open now. Yes, thank you. So you just have to copy that URL, the entire URL that starts with HTTPS. You need to copy the entire thing, copy it, and put it in the browser. Yeah, hello again is something which is coming in the browser. Okay, so now we can actually, the idea here is to um, understand that we can create some ABAP programs. Previously this was not possible. The HTTP designing the page of HTTP was completely different from ABAP. So what used to happen is everything that we do in the ABAP, again we need to go back and explain to the HTTP technical guys, and then they have to create the HTTP page. So now that can be skipped off and you can directly push the data directly onto the main screen. Now here we can add some ad hoc data as well. Like instead of just hello again, we can go and get the server date. What's the server date? We can add it here. For that, I'll just write a code and share it with you here in the chat so that we can add it there. Yeah, you activated it, right? Now you have to go back to the URL and copy the URL and paste it in the browser. Now you can see the date, the system date. Yeah, this is it. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this exercise.